folks, welcome. I am very excited to present to you today. The topic is From Prep to Impeachment, how litigators use AI to prep smarter, depose better, and review faster, and hopefully not be replaced by robots, but just become a better attorney with the help of the robots. So here's what I hope you get today out of this presentation. I want you to get some real life workflows that you could start using this afternoon. My goal is to make sure that I explain it in a way that is really simple to dip your toes in the water if you are not yet using AI in your practice. It's always good to know a little bit about your speaker. So here's me in hopefully under 30 seconds. I was born in Houston, Texas, and then lived in Norway for a few years, where my mom was from, and then grew up in Northeast Texas, where I went to high school at West Rusk, college at Stephen F. Austin. That's where I met my lovely bride, Adrian, and went to South Texas for law school, which has an excellent advocacy program. Started my career at Winstead, from associate to making partner before moving to Austin. And then eventually, when I moved to Austin, have my two kiddos, who keep me very busy, by the way. In 2015, I opened my own firm, Doyle and Seelbach, which specializes in personal injury defense across the state of Texas. And I also am the co-founder of Scribe. We'll talk a little bit about that later as one of the tools that we demo today. When I'm not spending time with my law firm or with Scribe, I'm probably at a volleyball gym because both of my daughters play club volleyball. And for those of you with kids in club sports, you know that all your time and all your money goes into that. So it's a lot of fun. A few disclaimers. I am not your attorney, right? This presentation is not intended to be legal advice. Hopefully you'll get some friendly advice on how to use software, and hopefully I don't put you to sleep. Please ignore any typos. Some of these slides are created with AI. I'm actually going to tell you a little bit more about that in a minute. And you probably shouldn't bill any time for this, but if you do, bill it to admin or education or something like that. And if you cite this presentation, I'm either going to deny, or bill you for it. So any good litigator knows that you got to give your audience a roadmap. So here is the roadmap of where we're going today. We're going to start with some ethics. What do the rules say about using AI? I'm going to talk very briefly. I'm not an engineer, but I'm going to talk very briefly about what generative AI is and a little bit about how it works. And then we're going to get into a few different use cases for AI around depositions, preparing for depositions, using it in live depositions, as well as post-depo analysis. We're also going to touch on some other discovery use cases as well in section number 3 that I'll get into in just a minute. Other ways you can leverage AI to improve some of your discovery efforts. Here's ultimately what we're trying to avoid, and that is, sanctions ending up